Okay, so on the so see, where did I leave off? Cold water. So the cold water is done on the second level. So what I need to do is continue the bathroom layout on the second level and supply. Looks like I'm gonna need to supply these laboratories with hot water, cold water, waste. Okay, because all of my, obviously, I don't know why I checked that, because I can see that all the systems are on, and I need to supply my 3 laboratories. So let's do that. Okay, so that's gonna have to, so let's do the sanitary system for these 3 laboratories. Okay, so get in our section view, and I'm gonna rotate that view here counterclockwise, okay, so that we can see what's going on behind the wall. Okay, let me go over just to make that a little bit better. Okay, so I'm on the second level and looking at my laboratories, and no slope. Make sure the properties are okay in terms of my pipe types. That's going to be PVC, because Revit only uses plastic fittings. So to be consistent, my pipes are plastic. Okay, so we go here, now we're in the wall, and we go down. Okay, so what this is going to turn out to be is a P-trap. Okay, go here, let's go up just a little bit, and now this is a floor, so under the floor, so we're second level. Let's go to the next laboratory. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. Go to section view. Okay, first let's make sure that all of my laboratories the same elevation, 210, 210, and 210. Okay, good. I didn't want to do that, but let's go back. Nope. Go back and continue with our pipe layout. PVC, sanitary, we're good. Okay, let's go here, and into the wall. I don't necessarily need to go through the floor at this point, right? Okay, and we make that a P-trap. Yeah, I think that's, so I don't need to be in the wall, but we can get that as we continue to lay out our piping system. Okay, let's go to the section, and we do the same thing. Everything is by default now, so except for the P-trap, and I have to do that manual. Okay, we got that, and we have our P-trap. So what we need to do now is connect the 3, and from the second we're going to go down to the first level. I think that what I'm going to do is yeah, let's just, I'm going to rotate this clockwise 90 degrees. Okay, and let's just go inside the wall, take a look, and okay, So we're on the second level. Let me go back because I can't see anything. Let's go inside the wall. Let's go inside. I can always change that to a wireframe, huh? Let's do that. I'm going to change that to a wireframe. Section. Okay. And we're going to go wireframe so that I can see what's going on. Now we know that I'm in the wall. And at this point, I think that it's a good idea to slope. I don't mind sloping if it's in the wall, but in the chase and all that other information, you know, back-to-back toilets and all of that, we don't need to slope. But I'm going to slope here. And let's go up. I wonder if I'm going to try something. Detail line here. And let's trim that back. Trim. And erase our construction line. I want to see if Revit will automatically put a Y combination. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's go back and say okay to that. And I think that that's detail line. I don't know why I'm doing this. It really doesn't matter, I guess. But okay. So let's see what Revit does. I know I can do it manual, but I want to see what Revit's gonna do in this case. If I drag, what happens? Nope. Let's go back. Let's try this again. I'm gonna draw my pipe. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I know what's going on. Oh, there's one. Yeah, let's go back. I think that what I should do is align. Let's align these all of these pipes so that they are in line with each other. Rotate counterclockwise. Counter. Okay. And let's get a full range so that we can see all three pipes coming off each one of the fixtures. Okay. So I'll make this extreme. Let's see, I think that's why the second one connected, because it's more close to the first one. So now let's align this one with that one, and second one, 1, 2. Okay, now let's go back. Try this again. Clockwise, rotation, 90. Okay, and I don't know. I can look at it like that. That's fine. Okay, so now that we got that, I'm gonna draw. What would happen if I put a detail line here and extend here, there? Nope, that's not gonna work. Okay, let's do this. So if I drag, let's see what Revit does. Nope, it's not going to do that. So what if I draw the pipe? Okay, we're at a slope. Slope. So if I draw the pipe, let's see what happens. All right, that's what I was looking for. Okay, so we got that. And let's go back here. Okay, and let me take a look at my notes. Okay, let's see, what did I do? Second level, and I'm gonna rotate this. Okay, so I think that I'm gonna change the pipe size here to 2 inches. Okay, and continue at a slope. Yeah, slope. And here, and we go down to connect to first floor. Went all the way down. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there. Okay, because the second level, let's do that. Okay, and I think that I'm gonna align this pipe with this riser, or these two risers. Okay, so to do that, we do our detail line, right? Let's see if we can get a good read. Detail line here. No. Why can't I get this? Okay, let me get a little closer. That might be good enough. Okay, so we align this line with that pipe. Yeah, okay. I don't know if you guys caught that, but so that we can connect on the first level. Okay, and that's our pipe coming down, right? Let's go back up. Okay, that looks good. Okay. So looking at the section view, we know that the pipe is going to connect here. Okay, that's the first level pipe. Okay, so we have our connection pipe. It's gonna, let's see, where are we? Okay, we're in the wall space. Have our group of fixtures here with our piping group of fixtures here. Okay, that's what that was on the first level that we saw coming out. That looked a little strange up here, this guy. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing and align this riser with this riser, so that on the horizontal on the first level, everything is aligned correctly. I'm taking a chance here because I can't really see, kind of eyeballing this guy. I know why it's not connecting, because I think there's an elbow there and it's not seeing the connection. So again, we do our alignment here, and I'm gonna go in close to see if y'all can see that. Okay, well, I'm gonna do this again. Align here, and missed it. Align here and there. Nope, that's not working. Let's see what's going on. let's see. Let's go to 3D view, see what's going on. Okay. Now, oh, okay. Yeah, that looks, I mean, it looks okay. Yeah, that's fine. I just need to finesse it a little bit more. Ooh, okay. No, you know what? I see what happened. Okay, then that's fine. I'm gonna leave it alone. That's fine, that's fine. Yeah, okay, I see what's going on. It's not gonna move because it's connected through that fit in. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. So the connections were made, second level, and we aligned our pipes on the second level to be aligned with the pipe on the first level. So I guess what I can do is make that connection, huh? Let's look at that here. Okay. That's the least I can do, right? So where are we? Here, here, here. Wait a minute, because what's going to happen? That's fine. Okay. Yeah, that's a 2-inch, 3-inch. Why is it a 3-inch? Oh, okay. Okay, that's a 3-inch because of this floor drain. Okay, so the next time I think I'm gonna have to work that out, where this connection, because I can't connect this 3-inch into this 2-inch riser, right? Because it's more than. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stop here and I'll talk to you guys later.